Seamlessly centralize your WhatsApp conversations by integrating Twilio with Respondio for efficient customer engagement. Before we begin, ensure you have an active Twilio account with a WhatsApp business IP-enabled number and a Respondio workspace ready. First, log into your Twilio console on your dashboard. Locate and copy your account SID and Auth token. Keep these handy as we'll need them for Respondio. Next, navigate to your active Twilio WhatsApp phone number or the messaging service linked to your WhatsApp business account. We will return to this section later to configure the webhook. Now, switch over to your Respondio workspace from the sidebar. Go to Integrations and select Add Channel to begin the setup. Choose Twilio WhatsApp from the list of available channels. This will open a configuration window where you'll input the details gathered from Twilio. Enter the Twilio account SID and Auth token you copied earlier into the respective fields. Crucially, input your Twilio WhatsApp business number, including the country code, or your messaging service SID. Respondio will then provide a unique webhook URL. Carefully copy this Respondio-generated webhook URL. This link is vital as it tells Twilio where to send incoming WhatsApp messages so Respondio can process them. Return to your Twilio console, specifically to your Twilio WhatsApp number or messaging service settings. Locate the messaging section in the When a Message Comes In field. Paste the Respondio webhook URL you just copied. Ensure the HTTP post method is selected, and then save your changes. This completes the Twilio configuration, linking message forwarding to Respondio. Head back to Respondio to finalize the channel setup. Once connected, send a test message to your Twilio WhatsApp number. You should see it appear instantly within your Respondio inbox, confirming the successful integration. You can now manage all your Twilio WhatsApp conversations directly from Respondio, streamlining your communication workflow.